This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check Ford Focus transmission fluid. First, safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface to get an accurate reading. You'll also want to have a clean rag and a funnel handy for this process. It's always a good idea to consult your Ford Focus owner's manual for the exact transmission fluid specifications and capacity for your particular model. Before checking, you need to warm up the transmission fluid. Drive your Ford Focus for approximately 15 minutes, allowing the fluid to reach its normal operating temperature. Once warm, park the car on that level surface and engage the parking brake firmly. Now, open the hood and locate the transmission fluid dipstick. It's typically marked with a distinct color like yellow or red, usually found near the engine block. Now for the actual check. Carefully remove the transmission fluid dipstick. Use your clean rag to wipe off all the fluid from the dipstick. Reinsert the dipstick completely into its tube, ensuring it's seated all the way down. Then, pull it out one more time and observe the fluid level. The fluid should ideally be between the hot or full marks on the dipstick, indicating a proper level. If your fluid level is below the add mark, it's time to top it up. Make sure you use the exact type of transmission fluid specified in your owner's manual. Using a clean funnel, slowly add small amounts of fluid, perhaps 1/4 of a quart at a time. After each addition, reinsert the dipstick, wait a few seconds, and then recheck the level until it falls within the recommended range. Do not overfill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.